Welcome back to A Taste of K here on YouTube. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make chicken and steak tacos. Here are the ingredients I'll be using. 1 pound of boneless chicken breast, as well as 1 pound of thin beef, which is the bottom round. To clean the chicken breast, I will use salt, vinegar, as well as a lemon blend, or you can use fresh lime. To clean the beef, I'll use salt, lemon blend, or lime. To marinate the chicken breast and beef, I'll use 2 packs of fajita mix, 1 pack of sazon, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, parsley flakes, 2 lime, as well as oil. I'll also be using tortilla, guacamole, salsa, and other toppings. For a video on how I make homemade guacamole as well as fresh salsa, go ahead and click the link in the description box below. Here I have 1 boneless, skinless chicken breast, which I'm going to slice or fillet into thin slices. I should have butterflied it and used a meat mallet to pound it to be the same thickness, but I went ahead and filleted it into thin pieces. I cleaned the chicken breast with salt, lemon blend, as well as vinegar, and allowed it to sit in the citrus marinade for 5 minutes before rinsing under cold water. This lemon blend is a great alternative if you can't get your hands on fresh lemon or lime. The thin beef was already sliced into thin pieces. I rinsed it under cold water. I add salt as well as the lemon blend to clean it and let it sit in that citrus marinade for 5 minutes before rinsing under cold water. For easy cleaning, I went ahead and marinated the chicken breast as well as the beef in Ziploc bags. In each Ziploc bag, add the juice of 1 lime, garlic powder, onion powder, half of a pack of sazon, cayenne pepper, parsley flakes, as well as 1 fajita mix, and oil. Close the Ziploc bag and massage the chicken breast as well as the beef until each piece of meat is covered completely with the seasoning. I allowed the chicken breast and the beef to marinate in this seasoning overnight. There's different ways you can cook this meat. You can grill it outside on a grill, cook it in a skillet or a pan, or even broil it under the oven. I chose to broil the meat under the oven. I preheated the oven on the broiling setting, which was 525 degrees Fahrenheit. I lined a baking sheet with aluminum foil into 2 sections. I placed the beef on one side and the chicken breast on the other side. Not only will this meal be easy cleaning since I marinated the meat in Ziploc bags, it'll also be easy to clean since I'm lining this baking sheet with aluminum foil. Once I'm done cooking, just throw away the aluminum foil, lightly rinse the pan, and I'll be done. I broiled the beef in the oven for a total of 9 minutes, which was about 4 to 5 minutes each side. The chicken breast took 12 minutes, about 6 minutes each side. Before serving, I warmed up the tortillas in the oven under the broiling setting for a little less than a minute. Slice the beef as well as the chicken breast, and it's time to enjoy. Now that you know how to make tacos from home, you can enjoy tacos not only on Taco Tuesday, but any day of the week. Remember to see the video on how I made this fresh guacamole as well as salsa. Click the link in the description box. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.